Honey here has had an eye discharge, and we can see the redness in this eye compared to the other eye. And you can see the discharge around the actual eye. So in these sort of cases, we need to make sure there's nothing inside the eye, and then we put a drop of local and we look behind the eyelid, which is the third eyelid. So just come in close for a second, Ellen. And there's the third eyelid there. See that big gland that pops out? That's the third eyelid, okay? What I've done is I've got a little bowl of just saline, clean, and a couple of cotton balls, and I'm just going to just lightly wet these. Clean hands before you do this, obviously with the eye. And I'm just going to wipe the eye and just rinse off any discharge from around the eye, okay? And then I'm going to have a tissue just to dry it, okay? Just be just as gentle as you can, and just wipe off all the discharge from around the eye before we put the eye ointment in. See a little cyst there as well on her eyelid? That's probably actually contributing to some of her irritation in the eyelid, okay? We're now going to put some eye drops into Honey's eye. So these bottles, most of them do need to be shaken because they'll have a sediment. And we're just going to hold her head up to about 90 degrees. And we're going to hold her eyelid open and just put one drop into the corner of the eye like that. Close over, rub it in a little bit, maybe count to 15 or 20 seconds. And that should be all we need to do, and that will be absorbed into her eye. When we're putting the ointment in, just get it, so hold his head up a little bit into the actual eye itself like that, and then just massage down to cover the whole of the surface of the eye. If he's really sore because of a painful condition in his eye, just be very gentle and soft when you're doing it. Okay, so with that discharge that's there, when you go to put the ointment in next time, we like you to get rid of that discharge with a salty solution. Saline is the best way. Something from the chemist would be the best way of getting that, or just 1 teaspoon of salt to a cup of boiled water, and then let the water cool down afterwards. And the ointment needs to be continued for the length of time your vet wants to treat for. Okay.